Good morning, dear students. We are going to deal with the first chapter of your English grammar book, that is kinds of sentences. In your earlier classes, we have already done the kind of sentences. So let me tell you, revise it, that what is a sentence. Suppose I say a group of words like Amrita went market today. So is it making any sense to us? It is making sense, but not complete sense, because the words are not arranged in a proper manner, in a specific manner to give us a complete sense. And suppose I rephrase the sentence or rearrange the words which I spoke just now and say, Amrita went to the market today, or today Amrita went to the market. So now is it making complete sense to us? Yes. So because I have arranged this group of words in a proper manner to give or convey a proper message or thought. So then it is called a sentence. So we can define sentence as a group of words arranged in a specific order which makes complete sense, and then you have what is a phrase as given in your book. So phrase, suppose I say in the morning, at night, behind the dog, into a fence, before the first test. So all this is a group of words, but they are not making a complete sense to us. They are making certain limited sense, but not complete sense, because behind the dog. So what happened behind the dog? What is there behind the dog? So many question arises. So it does convey a sense, but not a complete meaning or a complete sense, but it is a part of a sentence. If I say I went to school in the morning, or I went to the market in the morning, so I am making complete sense. So here in the morning is your phrase. So what is a phrase? A phrase is a long or a short group of words that does not convey a complete thought. So this is the difference between a sentence and a phrase. Sentence will always have a subject and a verb most of the times, and a phrase does not have a subject and a verb. So it will make some sense, but not all sense. So that is a phrase, and it is a part of a sentence. And a sentence has a subject plus a verb, and it makes complete sense to us. So that is a sentence. There are a few things that we have to keep in mind while differentiating between the phrase and a sentence. So just turn to your next page and you will see that the difference is given here. So what is a sentence? The definition of a phrase is, it is a group of words that is arranged in a grammatical construction and acts as a unit in a sentence. Means it is a part of a sentence and it is grammatically correct. Whereas a sentence is a grammatical unit of one or more words that expresses an independent meaning. A phrase does not express a complete thought, whereas a sentence, it expresses a complete thought. A phrase neither contains a subject nor a predicate, whereas a sentence, it contains a subject as well as a predicate. A phrase does not give complete information about the subject and the predicate, but a sentence gives complete information about the subject and the predicate. This phrase does not start with a capital letter, neither does it end with punctuation marks. But a sentence has to start with a capital letter, and it can end with a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark, depending on what kind of sentence it is. So this is the difference, just go through it. Then I have also, let me just, in our previous class, that is standard 6, we have also talked about the subject, two parts of a sentence, that is the subject and the predicate. So what is a subject and what is a predicate? So subject is, a sentence has two halves, the subject and the predicate. The subject is made up of all the words that tell who or what the sentence is about, whereas the predicate includes the verbs and all the words that tells what happened in the sentence. Every word in a sentence belongs to either the subject or the predicate. Suppose I give you an example. Bobby wrote a letter to his uncle. So what is Bobby over here? Whom are we talking about? Bobby. So Bobby is your subject, and wrote a letter to his uncle becomes your predicate. So this is the example. Let us take another example. My neighbor's dog barked all night. So whom are we talking about? The dog. Whose dog? The neighbor's dog. So by neighbor's dog becomes the subject, and a subject can be a noun or a pronoun. So noun is the proper names of a place, animal, thing, state of being, and it can be a pronoun like it, he, she, they. And barked all night. So in the sentence, my neighbor's dog barked all night, my neighbor's dog is your subject, whereas barked all night is your predicate. So we have dealt about what is a sentence. I have told you about what is a subject, the two parts of the sentence, which is the subject and the predicate. I have told you what a phrase is and the difference between a phrase and a sentence. That sentence makes complete sense and has a subject and a verb, whereas the phrase is a part of a sentence but does not make complete sense. It makes partial sense and it does not have a subject and a verb. Now let us talk about the types of sentences, which also we have done in your earlier classes. So subject and predicate we have done. I have told you about the subject, the part of the subject and the predicate. Now in the next video I am going to tell you about the kinds of the sentences. Thank you.